Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Typeform AI by Typeform, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Typeform website in your preferred web browser. Log into your Typeform account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Connect Integrations option in the left-hand menu. Click on Connect Integrations to open the integrations page. In the search bar, type Typeform AI to quickly locate the integration. When you see Typeform AI in the results, click on it to proceed. Read through the description and features provided for Typeform AI. Click on the Install button to initiate the installation process. If prompted, authorize any necessary permissions for Typeform AI to access your account. Wait for the installation to complete, which usually takes just a few moments. Once installed, navigate back to your dashboard. You should now see the Typeform AI option available in your integrations list. Click on Typeform AI to access its settings. Here, you can customize settings according to your project requirements. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up AI configurations specific to your needs. Be sure to test the AI features to ensure everything works smoothly. After testing, you can start using Typeform AI to enhance your forms and surveys. Feel free to explore additional options and features available within the integration. Refer to the Help section if you encounter any issues or need clarification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.